Why only one day to be the World Music Day? Every day should be as musical as World Music Day. It's nice to have a day when all the musicians all over the world would celebrate their passion, their love for music.
एक म्यूजिशियन जिंदा रखना एज एन डिसिप्लिन में रह करके ही एक म्यूजिशियन जिंदा रह सकता है. व्हाट आई फील दैट वे. और अंतरा कभी रिएक्शन नहीं देती बिकॉज़
क्या बात
हरसेल्फ शी इज द बेस्ट दैट वे.
रोज का है अपना तो रोज का है मतलब दिस इज लाइक कम्स नेचुरली.
तुम लोग सुर लगाओ हमसे ऐसे
राइट.
Hi, this is Dev Negi.
Hi, this is Amit Mishra.
Hi, this is Antara Mitra,
And you guys are watching Bollywood Hungama.
Well, on the auspicious occasion of World Music Day, we have three very talented and wonderful singers with us. Antara Mitra, Amit Mishra and Dev Negi here on Bollywood Hungama. Pleasure having you guys first of all on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
And how does it feel that there's a day that is dedicated to music, and a lot of musicians all across the world, they'll be celebrating it, and you guys are celebrating it as well. How does it feel?
So
We'll start with the ladies first. Okay. Antara,
Okay.
Yeah.
This is a very good occasion, I feel. There are many people who would say that why only one day to be the World Music Day? Every day should be as musical as World Music Day. But why not? Like, it's nice to have a day when all the musicians all over the world would celebrate their passion, their love for music. It's nice, and I think World Music Day सबके अंदर एक म्यूजिशियन होता है.
Absolutely.
उन सब के लिए है ये दिन. मुझे तो लगता है कि सुबह से उठ के गाना हेडफोन पे लगा लीजिए वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक डे के दिन पे, जो आप रेगुलर नहीं करते होंगे.
Right.
सो आई थिंक इट्स अ नाइस डे टू सेलिब्रेट इट, एंड it's actually a lot better than a lot of days which we celebrate. So it's a better day to
Yeah, too
celebrate
many
that way.
card
Yeah.
friendly days, card company friendly days. Okay, now when you guys start doing all these so many things related to your profession, all the shows and a lot of other things as well, then how important is it to retain that musician within you somewhere? Like say when we're talking about World Music Day, and that musician को जिंदा रखना कितना important है आपके लिए अपने अंदर, apart from all the commercial paraphernalia that keep on coming with the territory.
okay, of course that comes into as in the discipline of a musician.
Right.
Because if we want to become a pro that way, we need to be like that. You know, we need that exercise every morning, vocal exercise as per like. So एक musician जिंदा रखना as in discipline में रह करके ही एक musician जिंदा रह सकता है. What I feel that way. To give our time every day to our practices, and of course, like I seriously, for me every day is World Music Day. So because I listen to all
you know
the
what I
things
mean
that
by
day.
musicians zinda rakhna, that having that passion and love for music that actually brought you into the music industry in the first place, that entire passion that you just can't live without it, and you have to sing and you have to listen to something, and that aspect I'm talking about that primarily.
So that as in my perception for this is like I belong to that fraternity where I listen, you know, every day a brilliant vocalist. I just talk about a lot of good vocalists we have. So they are motivation. For me, as in people from Bollywood itself, a motivation for me to make, you know, like just to give that instinct every single morning to, you know, learn something new and go for a new recording session sort of thing.
Right. What about you, Dev?
I think they would be the right person to talk about this musician self, because he's from Pahad. So all the Pahadi people, they have a very musical heart, I believe, and
Absolutely.
he is you're a Kumayuni, right?
Kumayun,
Yeah, so he's from Kumayun. So he would be the right person to talk about कि ये मुंबई का चकाचौंध और ये सारी शोज और ये सब के बीच में वो पहाड़ी लड़का जो अंदर से म्यूजिक करना चाहता है, उसको जिंदा रखना, how important is
You know,
that?
that's exactly what we were looking for. That you
Exactly.
guys should converse amongst each other as well. So thank you very much, Antara Mitra, for that. Where exactly are you from?
I'm from Uttarakhand, Kumaon.
I understood that, but which place?
Ranikhet, Dwarahat.
Okay, I was in Ranikhet last month.
Oh.
I'd gone to Ranikhet and Nainital and Kausani last month. Only. Beautiful, absolutely. Okay, so can you answer her?
मुझे लगता है कि जिंदा आर्टिस्ट और उसको रखना अपने जहन में, एक्चुअली उत्तराखंड जो कि बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है, वहाँ पे वहाँ के लोग बहुत प्यारे हैं एक्चुअली, और वहाँ का जो एटमॉस्फेयर है, पेड़ पौधे, नेचर, और वहाँ से जो लोग आते हैं वो प्योर हार्टेड होते हैं, जो उनका हार्ट बहुत ही प्योर होता है, और यहाँ आके यहाँ और उसमें यही डिफरेंस है कि यहाँ थोड़ा रश लगता है और वहाँ पे थोड़ा शांति है, तो
तो इस जो सारी जो भागा दौड़ी है बॉम्बे की, उसके अंदर कभी कभी लगता है कि ये शोज कर रहा हूँ और ये सब कर रहा हूँ, उसके अंदर कई बार वो जो लड़का अंदर से गुनगुनाता था वो कहीं खो तो नहीं जा रहा है?
खोता तो नहीं है, बट अब करना पड़ेगा, काम है हमारा, सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, सबको बैलेंस करके चलना पड़ता है। बीच बीच में मैं घर जाते रहता हूँ या वहाँ के गाने सुन लेता हूँ या बात कर लेता हूँ दोस्तों से, कैसा है वहाँ पे मौसम वगैरह वगैरह, ये सब जान लेता हूँ, तो उससे एक अपना रिफ्रेशमेंट हो जाता है मूड का। और
तो कोई पहाड़ी गाना आप सुनाना चाहेंगे?
प्लीज कम ऑन।
कल बजे मुरुली ओ बेड़ा ऊंचा नीचा डांजूमा चिरी है काले जी मेरे वो देख मान।
Wow,
Wow.
that was really nice. That was very nice.
This is what you were talking about, that
Yeah.
musical and musician
Absolutely.
self.
You know, to just usko zinda rakhna, I think that's something
It's
which
very
is
important.
extremely important in spite of all the commercial paraphernalia that you guys
Yes,
get into.
absolutely.
So Amit Mishra, you had a question for Antara. You told me a short while back.
Okay.
You got the wrong guy.
No, the challenge is to make the people who talk less talk actually. That and I like challenges.
Okay.
I'm sure that he has a question for you.
He talked very less.
Yeah, but he,
Yes,
no, but
actually.
I'm sure that he has a question for you.
Okay. So, are you still able to manage that perfect voice, that pitch correct voice, sort of a pitch perfect voice, still
Please.
after so many years? I'm seriously very bad at it, but still I'm questioning first time to Antara that way. So,
What? This is a very wrong question. Come on.
she's one of the most pitch perfect singers
No,
I've heard.
absolutely,
So,
Absolutely. She's having some really amazing songs to her and which have done exceedingly well.
I think what he's talking about, because we have done a lot of live shows together. I think he's talking about those live events, and he's talking about ki it's difficult to sing in pitch when you're on stage because you all the time you don't get right kind of sound in your ears and you don't get the right kind of feedbacks and all. So that is what you're talking about. I know.
but most of the time, like I've seen, like while performing
But
live
I'll
as
tell
well,
you-
you know, to be very honest, I'm not saying that like there's no limit to learn music that way as a vocalist also. But somewhere I've been a big fan of Antara that way because I've performed live with her and I've heard her that way.
Right.
She's pretty accurate. So after gig also sometimes we used to feel like Antara का क्या reaction होता है और Antara का भी reaction नहीं देती because
क्या बात?
herself she's the best that way.
रोज का है अपना तो रोज का है मतलब this is like comes
Like,
naturally.
तुम लोग सुर लगाओ हमसे तो ऐसे लग
Right.
No, I'll tell you because this live gig scenario, what he's talking actually, कि लाइव में बहुत सुर जाते हैं, बहुत
बिल्कुल।
बड़े बड़े लोगों को मैंने देखा है लाइव में उनका सुर जाता
And
हुआ।
बहुत से -1 पे और ट्रैक्स भी simultaneously होते
हाँ,
चलते
तो
रहते हैं।
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि क्योंकि मैं रियलिटी गेम शो से आई हूँ और क्योंकि मैंने एक टेक में गाया है जो शूट हुआ है, क्योंकि मैं कंपटीशन में थी और मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस समय, शायद वो एक ट्रेनिंग जैसा हुआ होगा। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट मैं बहुत पिच परफेक्ट हूँ ऑन स्टेज, आई ऑल्सो मिस, बट आई ट्राई टू फॉलो दोज रूल्स
to maintain that same dynamic, from that previous stages you have performed where we've been like your fan that
Please,
time.
Amit,
So
you were
maintain that
just
same.
making
I'm
me
telling you, like,
embarrassed.
it's hard for a boy, to be very honest, for a man to maintain his voice that way. I don't know, but like she's pretty good in that. So
Right.
That was just only one question because we have met most of the time on the
No,
stage.
you know, I think he's made a very valid point, and so I think and I'm glad that he's talking as well.